ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां विषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। नत्वा श्रीभारती तीर्थविद्यारण्यमुनीश्वरौ
नत्वा
श्रीभारती
श्रीभारती
तीर्थ
तीर्थविद्यारण्यमुनीश्वरौ
अधीमहे पञ्चदशीं कैवल्यपदसिद्धये
अधीमहे पञ्चदशीं कैवल्यफलसिद्धये।
पंचमहाभूत विवेक प्रकरणे 85तम श्लोकः। सदसत्त्वविवेकस्य प्रस्तुतत्वात् सचिन्त्यताम्।
सत्त्वविवेकस्य प्रस्तुतत्वात् चिन्त्यताम्।
असतो वान्तरो भेद आस्तां तच्चिन्तयात्र किम्।
असतो
वान्तरो
भेदास्तां तच्चिन्तयात्र किम्।
सद्वस्तु ब्रह्मशिष्टोंशो वायुर्मिथ्या यथा वियत्।
सद्वस्तु
सत्त्वस्तु
ब्रह्मशिष्टोषो वायुर्मिथ्या यथा वियत्।
वासयित्वा चिरं वायोर्मिथ्यात्वं मरुतं त्यजेत्।
वासयित्वा चिरं वायो
मरुतं
जिह्वाद्वं मरुतं
त्यजेत्
त्यजेत्
चिन्तयेद्वन्निमप्येवं मरुतो न्यूनवर्तिनम्
चिन्तयेद्वन्निमप्येवं
चिन्तयेद्वन्निमप्येवं
मरुतो
मरुतो
न्यूनवर्तिनम्
न्यूनवर्तिनम्
ब्रह्माण्डावरणेष्वेषा न्यूनाधिकविचारणा
ब्रह्माण्डावरणेष्वेषा
वरणेष्वेषा
न्यूनाधिकविचारणा
न्यूनाधिकविचारणा
वायोर्दशांशतो न्यूनो वह्निर्वायौ प्रकल्पितः
अंशतो
वायोर्दशांशतो
न्यूनो
न्यूनो वह्निर्वायौ
वह्निर्वायुः
प्रकल्पितः
पुराणोक्तं तारतम्यं दशांशैर्भूतपञ्चके
पुराणोक्तं
तारतम्यं
तारतम्यं
दशांशैर्भूतपञ्चके
दशांशैर्भूतपञ्चके
अत्र प्रकृतः प्रस्तुतः विषयः सदसत् विवेकः। सत् असतोः विवेकः विचारः प्रस्तुतः अस्ति। असतोः इत्युक्ते माया तत्कार्यस्य तयोः अवान्तरभेदः अस्ति एव अस्तु आस्तां तच्चिन्तनेन किमपि प्रयोजनं नास्ति। सजातीयभेदेषु पदार्थेषु भेदः अस्ति एव। यथा जगति यानि ये यानि वस्तूनि ये पदार्थाः विषयाः सन्ति जगति तेषु परस्परभेदः अस्ति एव। भिन्ना भिन्नाः जातीयाः गुणाः विशेषाः सन्ति विषयोः मध्ये विषयेषु मध्ये अवान्तरभेदः अस्ति एव। ते सर्वे असत् पदार्थाः एव, मिथ्यापदार्थाः, मिथ्या एव। अत्र तस्य विवेकेन किं प्रयोजनम्? असतः अवान्तरभेद विचारेण प्रयोजनं नास्ति। वस्तुनिर्णये अवान्तरभेद विचारः अप्रयोजन प्रयोगः विचारेण प्रयोगः किमपि प्रयोजनं नास्ति। सत्वस्तु ब्रह्मशिष्टांशः तद्वस्तु वायो विद्यमानः तदंशः ब्रह्म। सद्भिन्नः ये अंशाः अवशिष्टाः वायु ते मिथ्या। ये गुणाः वायौ अनुवर्तते वायुः अपि अवशिष्टांशः वायोः अवशिष्टांशः असदंशः मिथ्या एव इति वासयित्वा मनसि दृढीकृत्य वायोः मिथ्यात्वं दृढीकृत्य त्यजेत्। यत् सत्यत्वम् आरोप्यते मरुति वायौ तत् सत्यत्वं सा बुद्धिः सत्यत्व बुद्धि तां बुद्धिं त्यजेत्। सत्यत्वं मिथ्यात्वं सत्यत्वं त्यजेत्। सत्यत्व बुद्धिः अस्ति वायु तं त्यजेत् इत्युक्ते मिथ्यात्वं निश्चीकृत्य मरुतः तं त्यजेत्। चिन्तयेत् एवं यथा वायोः विचारः कृतः सद् वायोः तद्वत् चिन्तेत्। वह्निः अपि अग्निः तत्तु तृतीय भूतानि आकाशः आकाशाद् वायुः वायोः अग्निः। पूर्वं दृष्टं किं दृष्टं? मायायाः एकदेशे आकाशः अस्ति। सद्वस्तुनः एकदेशे माया अस्ति। मायायाः एकदेशे आकाशः अस्ति। आकाशस्य एकदेशे वायुः अस्ति। वायोः एकदेशे वह्निः। अतः एवं चिन्तयेत्, वह्निमपि मरुतः न्यूनवर्तिनम्। एवं वह्निमपि मरुतः अग्निः वायोः अपेक्षया अग्नेः न्यूनवर्तित्वम् अस्ति। न्यून देशवान् अग्निः इति चिन्तयेत्। एवं न्यूनाधिकविचारणा, एषा विचारणा तु पुराणेषु अपि एषा विचारणा तारतम्यम् उक्तमेव। तदेव आचार्येण 88तम श्लोके उक्तः। वायोः दशांशतः न्यूनः वह्निः। वह्निः कथं न्यूनः, कति न्यूनः इति पुराणेषु उक्तम्। वायोः दशांशतः अग्निः न्यूनः। अग्नेः न्यूनवर्तित्वम् अस्ति दशांशतः वायोः इति तारतम्यं पुराणोक्तं। दशांशैः भूतपञ्चके तारतम्यम् उक्तम्। उत्तरोत्तर तस्य भूतस्य पूर्वैकभूतस्य एकदेशेन अवस्थितिः अस्ति। एतदेव पुराणेषु उक्तम् इति एतावत्पर्यन्तं गतवर्गे दृष्टम्। To this we have said, I have not said anything new, same thing. Topic is sadasat vivekah, not asat vivekah. We are not doing vichara of the mithya padarthas. Maya, mithya or satyam. Maya is mithyam, there should not be any doubt. Brahma eva satyam. Brahma satyam, jagat mithya. Jagat karyam, karanam maya. Maya sagita Brahma. Brahmanam mithya. Maya, Brahma sagita maya eva jagatah karanam. Maya is mithya. Maya karanam, karanibhuta maya mithya. अतः कार्यभूता माया कार्यभूता जगत अपि मिथ्या एव। Therefore, asat, between the asat, avantara veda, differences will be there. Maya karanam, maya karyam jagat, tayoho madhye, both are asat, both are mithya. Vedaha asti eva. What is the use? What is the prayojanam we get by discussing the differences between the mithya padartha? One is different from the other. So what? Let it be. Both are mithya. The difference between Sat and Maya, Sat and Mithya, that is important. Sat trikale tishtati iti Sat. Tat sarvam tad trikale tishtati tat Sat. Sarvam anyat Mithya iti. Everything else is that which do not stand time. Trikale na tishtati. Shvabhava martyasi yadanta kaitat. Ita Katoparishi Nachiketasa Uktam. It doesn't stand. It is Trikala. What to talk of Kala? Today is it, tomorrow, next moment it is not there. Trikala. Na tishtati. That is Swatantrena tishtati. Nama Rupatmaka. Makena. Nama Rupatmakam eva. Nama Rupam. Nama Rupena. Nama Kevalam Nama. Vacharambanam eva. नामरूपात्मकम् एव नामरूपात्मकं नामरूपात्मकत्वात् मिथ्या एव. Sat is not nama, it's not a rupa. It is adhisthana of everything. Nama, the moment you say it, denotes a thing just put together. Even if it is Akasha, suppose, Akasha also put together. Admitting Akasha is not something which is, it's not put together something one integral, one whole. No, it is also put together. Karyatvat, simple logic, Karyatvat. Because it is created, it is put together. Anything created is put together. That which is put together must have avayava. That which has avayava will subject to disintegration, will go away, will vanish in time, subject to time. Therefore, limitation by time, limitation by desha, limitation by another vastu. Therefore, it is mithya. Therefore, it is asat. It is anityam. All this. Therefore, the differences will be there between the mithya padarthas. By discussing that, there is no prayojanam. Science may discuss. It is maybe the field of science. The differences between the matter, differences between different matter, which are in different forms, that can be discussed, and their utility for the practical purpose can be talked about. But when we talk about Sat and Mithya, Sadeva Samyadam Agre Asit, Ekameva Advityam, there is only one Sat. In fact, one also we cannot say. What is there is only Sat. And Sat is the Vishaya, to be known, to be understood. For that, what is the point in discussing the Asat and Mithya? Therefore, we should not divert from this topic. Therefore, let us come back to the topic. In between, there was some diversion. The Shishya asked some question. Vailakshanyatvat satiti, that is dismissed. Now, Vayoho, Vayu is there. Vayoho, Shishtam Chaha, Sadvastu, Brahma. Sadvastu Brahma eva Shishtam Shaha. That alone is Shishtamsha. That alone remains after negating everything. Vayo Vidyamanaha, Sadamshaha Brahma eva. Sadbinaha Amshaha Mithya. Therefore, Vayu also Mithya. And Vayu Sadamsha is Brahma. Sadamsha, Sat always belongs to Brahma. Astitvam belongs to Brahma. Therefore, Vayuhu Mithya, Namarupatmaka, Vayuhu Mithya eva. In the last Bhagavad Gita class, the shloka Devameva Parayagyam, the Acharya used the word Nirasta Shesha Visheshaha, that we will discuss again in the next class, that compound. Nirasta Shesha Visheshaha. It's a beautiful one. First I said correctly and then I did some mistake. Correct it in the next class. The compound is Nirasta Shesha Visheshaha. It talks about Nirastaha Ashesha Visheshaha. That what we are doing by negating the Asat Amsha, the same thing Bhashyakara just put in one word. In fact, it is rephrasing the Shruti Vatya. Nirastaha means dismissing. Ashesha Visheshaha. Asheshaha means not Sheshaha, Asheshaha. Sheshaha is that which is left over. Asheshaha, not left over completely. Asheshaha means completely, total. Visheshaha is Dharmaha. Ashesha Visheshaha Nirastaha. After negating all the Visheshaha Dharmaha completely, what remains is that which cannot be negated. By that, everything is negated and that cannot be negated. Nirasta Shesha Visheshaha, it's a beautiful word, compound. எதனால் எல்லாம் தள்ளப்படுகின்றதோ அது எதனாலும் தள்ளப்படாமல் இருக்கிறதோ அதுவே பிரம்மா இது. Tamil translation. That by which everything is negated, but that cannot be negated. Nirastha Shesha Vishesha. In fact, that is what we are doing, negating Vayu, after understanding, after discriminating and understanding Shishta Amsha is Brahma, that Sarvam Anyat Mithya, Vayu Nityatam Nishchikritya, Nityatam Vasagitva Dridikritya, Tejet, give up. It has no Satyatvam at all. There is no pointing, holding to the Asat, Marut. And one more thing is talked about. It is limited. Limited for that Purana is the Pramana. Puranoktam Taratamam, it is not Kapola Kalpita Acharyasya Kapola Kalpitahana. Puraneshu Uktam. Karya is Nyunaha. Yata Karyam Karanataha compared to Karana. Karanat Karyaha Karyam Nyunam Bhavati Alpaha Bhavati Alpam Bhavati. Akashasya Dashamshataha Dashabhagashaha Nyunaha Vayuhu. Vayogo Dashamshataha Nyunaha Agni. Akasha also. Sataha Akashaha Nyunaha. Akasha is, you say Akasha is, Akashaha all pervasive. It is not all pervasive. Science may say all pervasive. It is not all pervasive. That which is all pervasive is Brahma. Akasha is, compared to Brahma, less pervasive. Vyataha Nyunavartitvam Asti. Compared to Sataha, compared to Sat. So Akasha is less pervasive compared to Sat. And what about Vayu? Vayu is the Karyam of Akasha Brahma. Akasha Brahmanaha Vayuhu Bhavati. Vayoho Utpattihi. Karyatvat Vayoho Nyuna Vartitvam Asti. How much is Nyuna Vartitvam? How much is, it is said in the Purana, Dashamshataha. 1/10. 1/10 less pervasive compared to the Karanam. Akasha is the Karanam, therefore Vayu is 1/10 less pervasive. Now Vayu is the Karanam for, Vayu Brahma is the Karanam for Agni. Agni Brahma. Sagunam Brahma. Therefore, Vayogo Dashamshataha. Vayo Dashamshataha Vannihi Nyunaha. And that Vanni is Prakalpitaha Vayo. Vanni is Prakalpitaha. Everything is superimposed on the previous one. Karya. Karya is superimposed on the Karana. So Akashe Vayu Prakalpitaha. Vayu Agni Prakalpitaha. Therefore, Prakalpitatvam is possible only when that superimposition is possible only when the Karanam is more pervasive than the Karya. Yata Rajju Sarpa. Sarpa is superimposed. Sarpa is superimposed on what? Sarpa is superimposed on Rajju. Sarpa is superimposed on Rajju. Sarpa cannot be superimposed on Akasha. It has to be, Akasha is more pervasive. When Sarpa example, this example is not good, but the Sarpa cannot be projected on something which enjoys the properties, more properties. So, which enjoys less property, because that which is less property is more pervasive. The Sarpa has to be projected on the thing which is also looks similar. So there is adhyastha adhisthana. And here it is karana karyatvat. The karanam will be more pervasive, karya will be less pervasive. So Rajusarpa Drishtanta may not work here, but some other Drishtanta we have to think of. Anyway, so karanam is more pervasive, karya is less pervasive. The example, not but Maya and Maya karya itself we can take. So Maya and Maya karya. In the Purusha Suktam it is said, Atyatishta Dashangulam. That is, Brahma is Atitya Tishtati. So therefore, Maya is less pervasive, and Maya Karya is less pervasive to compared to Maya Karanam. Maya, which is the Karanam. Therefore, Karanam is more pervasive, Karya is less pervasive. By that logic, and it is logically as well as Purana Uktam, therefore Taratamyam Asti. Dashamshehi Taratamyam Vartate Bhuta Panchake. Kasmin Putra Bhuta Panchake. In the Bhuta Panchaka, Bhutanam Panchakam, Panchaka, Panchasu Bhuteshu. That is the meaning. Panchasu Bhuteshu, Bhuta Panchakam. Bhuta Panchakam. The Bhutanam Panchakam, Bhuta Panchakam. 5 elements. So Panchasu Bhuteshu Taratamyam Vartate. Tatu Puranoktam Pramanam is the Purana Pratipaditam Asti. Therefore, Vayu is Prakalpita. Vayu Prakalpitaha Agnihi. Therefore, Vayu is more pervasive. Agni is less pervasive. How much? Dashamshataha. Dashamshataha Nyunaha. Less. Iti. Up to this, Vayu, Satya Vayu, Vivekaha. Agni has taken. Agni has mentioned. Therefore, Agni Viveka starts from the 89th shloka. Navashititama shlokataha Sad Vani Vivekaha. The same line as was discussed before. Akasha, Sad Akasha, Sad Vyomna Vivekaha, Sad Vayu Vivekaha, Tadvateva Trapi. Karana Gunaha Kari Anuvartante. Karane ye Gunaha Vartante, te sarve Anuvartante Karyeshu api, Karye api. Ataha Agnau, Atava Agnehe Kati Gunaha Atra Uktaha Santi. Understand? Vannirushtav Prakashatma Purva Nugati Ratracha.
Vannirushi prakashatma purvanugatika
Asti Vannisanistatvas Shabdavan Sparshavanapi.
Asti vannisanistatvashabdavanapi.
Panchadashi shlokas are simple shlokas. Seeing the shloka, what is talked about can say. What is talked about? Shehataha shlokasya Vannehe gunaha uktaha santi. Vannehe gunaha. Vannehe gunaha. The word Agni. The word Agni is, I happen to see, Agnihi. Vannihi, it is Unadi Sutram. Vannihi api, Agnihi api. Agnihi ite Agnihi. Analaha iti artaha. Vannihi, Agnihi, Analaha, Alamna vidyate yasya saha Analaha. Agnihi iti padam ang agi dhatoho nishpadyate. Agi. See the dhatu pata, you will see. Agi. Idito num dhatoho tena numbavati ang. Angati gacchati. Prapnoti janati va agnihi. इति अग्नेर्नलोपश्च सूत्रेण उनादिसूत्रेण अङ् धातोः नि प्रत्ययः भवति. धातु इस् अङ्. अगि become अङ्. then नि धातुः then अङ्गस्य नकारस्य लोपः भवति. यत् नकारः नुम् नकारः वर्तते आगमेन यत् नकारः वर्तते नुम् आगमेन तस्य लोपः भवति. नि प्रत्ययं योजयित्वा तस्य लोपः भवति. सो अग्नि अग्नि. सो इति अग्निः अग्नेः न लोपः. अङ्गस्य न लोपः भवति. नि प्रत्यय is the pratyaya. So ang plus ni, ang nakara will go away. Ag plus ni, agni iti vyutpatti. This is agni. Vannihi also vyutpatti is given. Vannehi tukte bhagati iti vannihi. There is also pratyaya, nit pratyaya. Unadi sutrena vak dhatoh vahati. Vak dhatoh. Tena ni pratyaya. Ni pratyaya yojayitva vannihi iti rupam. Vak plus ni, vanni. Simple. Vannihi उष्णः भवति. That is this Swarupa. Fire always is hot. Shita Agnihi iti kopi Agnihi nasti. Vannihi chet Ushnaha eva bhavati. Vannihi Ushnaha Prakashaha api bhavati. Vannihi Ushnaha, it is hot. Ushna Swabhavavan and Prakashavan, Prakashatma. Vannihi Ushnaha Prakashatma. So Ushna Swabhavavan, Prakasha Swabhavavan. Vannihi. Agnehe Swarupam. Karanasya पूर्ववं पूर्व अनुगतिः what follows अत्र च पूर्वानुगतिः पूर्वस्य अनुगतिः पूर्व गुणस्य अथवा गुणानां अनुगतिः follow it that also follows अनुगति ते के ते धर्माः के ते धर्माः तदुक्तमस्ति अग्रिमश्लोके. तो कारणस्य धर्माः अपि अनुवर्तन्ते. कारणस्य धर्माः means then satta also comes. So this कारणस्य अपि कारणं. So therefore अनुवर्तन्ते. वह्निः अस्ति वह्निः सः निष्ठत्वः शब्दवान् स्पर्शवान् अपि. अग्नेः अस्तित्वं न तु अस्तित्वम् अग्नेः अस्तित्वं तु सद्वस्तुनः धर्मः. That अस्तित्वम् of अग्निः अस्ति. When we say that astitvam comes from where? From what? From where or how does it enjoy the status of being existence? That is belongs to Sat. We say Sadvastunaha Dharmaha. To say it is not a dharma, it's not a property of the Sat. It is Sat. It is Astitvam is Sat. But when we say Astitva Sadvastunaha Dharmaha Astitvam, it is not dharma of the Sadvastu. Really, it's not a property. Dharma is that it is Swarupa, Sadvastuna. Sadvastu is Swarupa, its nature, its Astitva. Tad anuvartate, Agnav. Then Sadvastunaha, Asti, Vannihi, that Sadvastunaha Pratakrite. Yata Purvam Pratak Karanam Kritam. Purvam Pratak Karanam Kritam. Sadvastunaha Pratak Karanam Kritam. Akashat वायोः तद्वत् अत्रापि पृथक् कृते then अग्नेः 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 धर्मः निस्तत्त्वरूपधर्मः निस्तत्त्वः अग्नेः निस्तत्त्वरूपधर्मः प्रतीयते वर्णिः अस्ति that अस्तित्वं belongs to the sat, therefore agni is सः अग्निः निस्तत्त्वः agni is nistattvah. When we can say nistattvah agnihi, when we separate sadvastu from agni, sadvastunaha pratakrute, sadvastunaha pratakrute agnehe sadvastunaha pratakrute agnihi nistattvah, agnehi nistattvam pratiyate. निस्तत्वं कस्य अथवा कस्याः धर्मः निस्तत्वं मायायाः मायायाः धर्मः प्रतीयते. then शब्दवान् शब्दः अस्य अस्ति इति शब्दवान् स्पर्शः अस्य मतु पदस्य अस्ति इति मतु प्रत्यय शब्दवत् स्पर्शवत् शब्दवत् मीन्स् शब्दगुणवान् स्पर्शगुणवान् गुणः शब्दगुणः अस्य यस्य अस्ति सः शब्दगुणवान् स्पर्शगुणवान् शब्दगुणवान् कस्य भूतस्य कः कः भूतः कस्मिन् अथवा कस्य भूतस्य शब्द गुणः अस्ति आकाशस्य शब्दगुणं शब्दवान् इत्युक्ते आकाशस्य आकाशः शब्दगुणवान् स्पर्शः तत्तु वायुः स्पर्शवान् अपि वायुः स्पर्शवान् आकाशः शब्दवान् Agni as therefore Agni has many gunas. One is Sviya gunaha, anye Karana gunaha. It has many gunas. Some are its own guna. Ushnaha yata Ushnaha Prakashatma. Others are borrowed gunas, borrowed from the Karana. Vannihi Ushnaha hot. Sviya gunaha Agnehe. Prakashatma. Prakashascha so Atma. Atma is Urupa iti. Prakashatma. It is self-effulgent. It doesn't require any other thing to make it effulgent. It is self-effulgent. It is. We should not use the word Swayam Prakasha. Swayam Prakasha, the word is reserved only for Atma. It is Prakasha Atma. It is effulgent. It's not saying self-effulgent. Effulgent, that is better. Suryaha effulgent. Because self-effulgent, the word is reserved only for Sat. It is Swayam Prakasha is something different. Even Surya, this Agni, they are not Swayam, they are Prakasha only, not Swayam Prakasha. Why we say it is, they are not, because they are made, they are illumined by Atma. Without Atma, how they can be. So therefore, they are illumined by Atma. Atma is the only thing, Brahma is the only thing which is self-effulgent. So Prakasha, Chaitanyam. So Prakasha, the definition we have seen. That is Swaprakash, Swayam Prakasha Chaitanyam, Swaprakasha Chaitanyam. Ityukte kim? Swabhinna, Bhinnanarthan Prakashayati. Swabhinna hi padartha hi na prakashyate. That is Swaprakashatvam. Surya and even the Agni and even Surya, they are illumined by Atma. Bhinnehi padartha na prakashyate chedeva swayam prakashaha. But they are illumined by Atma. Therefore, यद्यपि भिन्नान् पदार्थान् प्रकाशयति सूर्यः वा अग्निः वा तथापि भिन्नैः not भिन्नैः only one स्व भिन्न स्वभिन्नेन तद्वस्तुना प्रकाश्यते therefore न स्वप्रकाशः. Even the word swaprakasha, if it is used, it's only a relative word. It cannot be absolutely used. Therefore, better to translate prakashatma as effulgent. It is effulgent, not self-effulgent. Self-effulgent, even if you say that is only relative. Therefore, it is effulgent, prakashatma. Even the translation self-effulgent is there. When we have done it, it is effulgent only. Because atma is only thing that is self-effulgent. Swabhinnehi padarthehi na prakashate, swabhinnan padarthan prakashayati. Tatikim brahma eva. So this, even Surya is also illumined by. Illumined by means it is its existence. It has existence which is borrowed existence. Therefore, it is effulgent eva. Prakashatmas, that is one of the property of the Agni. Agnehe gunaha ekah gunaha prakashatma ushnah iti anya gunaha. Atra purva anugatihi. Other properties are purva bhutebhyaha agachanti. Purvesham anugatihi. Purvesham bhutanam anugatihi api. What are those sat as well as the other elements? They being the cause. They in her Agni. Karana gunaha karya anuvatante. What are those elements? Sat, then Maya, then Viyata Vayu, all the four. The four will contribute to Agni. And the contribution of Sat is Astitvam. Astitvam is a contribution of Sat. So Sadvastu, that's what I said, Sadvastunaha, Dharmaha, Astitvam, Tad Anuvartate. Tad Anuvartate. Anuvartate, we say that's because we are doing this analysis. It is everything. It is pervades in and through everything. Anuvartate. Then Vannihi, therefore, since Astitvam is Sadvastunaha Dharma Anuvartate, therefore Vannihi Nistatvaha. That is why Nistatvaha the Acharya has used. Vannihi Asti Saha Nistatvaha means Tasya Astitvam Nasti Astitvam tu Sadvastunaha Tata Anuvartate. Ataha Vannihi Nistatvaha. Astitvam, the isness, is from the Sadvastu. Saha, the word. Saha means Agnihi. Saha Nistatvaha Agnihi Nistatvaha. Nistatvaha Bahurihi Pullingi. Nistatva Rupa Maya iti we have seen Purvam. Nirgatam Tattvam Yasmat Saha. So Tattvam is not. What is Tattvam? Sat is Tat. And that has Astitvam. That is Astitvam, that has Astitvam. That as is also that as Shashti Bhakti. It is only Rahoho Shiraha Iva Upacharika Shashti. To say Astitvam, Sataha Astitvam means Sat is Swarupa is Asti. Astitvam. Sataha Astitvam means Rahoho Shiraha. Rahoho means it's only Shiraha. Where is the body? Upacharika Shashti. Therefore, when we use Shashti, we are not using the Shashti in the ordinary normal sense. Rahoho Shashti Iva Upacharika Shashti. So Sadvastunaha Dharmaha Astitvam, when we say Astitvam is, it is the Swarupa, Lakshana of Brahma, of Sat. Therefore, that belongs to Sat, then Agnihi becomes Nistatvaha. Tattvam, Astitvam, opposite of Astitvam, Nistatvam. Astitvam belongs to Sat, then Agnihi Nistatvaha. Pratakrite, Sat Vastunaha Pratakre, Agnehe Nistatva Rupam Pratiyate Siddhyati. That's why the author says Nistatvaha iti. Nistatvaha. Then it is also Shabdavan. Shabdavan, Shabdagunavan. Shabdavan is This Agni has got Shabda. Its guna is there. How do you say Shabda as guna? If you remember, previously we have discussed. Bhugu Bhugu Dvanihi. Previously, the Acharya has discussed all the properties of the elements. That is a Bhugu Bhugu Dvanihi. Agni, it burns. How does it burn? Bhugu Bhugu, with that noise. That is a Shabda guna. Shabda gunavan, Bhugu Bhugu Dvanihi asti. Therefore, Shabdavan, Bhugu Bhugu Dvanihi. And Ushna Sparsha also is there. That's Sparshavan. Therefore, Asti, Astitvam of Brahma, then Mithya, Nistatva Rupata of Maya, Shabda and Sparsha, all these are borrowed from the Purabhuta. And Sadvastu. Sadvastunaha Astitvam, Mayayaha Mithyatvam, Akashasya Shabdagunaha, therefore Shabdavan Bhavati, Bhugu Bhugu iti Dvaniki Asti, Agnav, Vayogo Sparsha Gunaha. Therefore, all these gunas, Agnehe Sviya Gunaha, Ushnaha Prakashatma. Agnehe. Anya Gunaha, Ye Anugati Rupena, Ye Anuvartante, Agnav, Te Nistatva, Rupatvam, Astitvam, Tatu Brahmana. Nistatva Rupatvam Mayayaha, Shabdagunaha, Spasyagunaha iti. The word Prakashatma is, which is referred to Agni. It is got some unique quality. It's got a unique quality. What is that Rupam? Prakashatma is, Nayayikas, they say, Bhasvara Rupamiti. Bhasvara Shuklam is the Rupam of Agni. Agni is pure Agni. Agni is Shuklam. Condescent white light Agni. The Rupam of water is also Rupam for water, if you see. It is not white, it is colorless, vague whiteness. That is opposed to Agni. Abhaswaram Shuklam, that is water. So Bhaswaram Shuklam, that is Agnehe Rupam. Nayayikas, they argue, they say, they're not argue, they say, so there's no argument there, they say that we don't have any problem, we can also say. So therefore, these are the guna. Then Tika, Agnehe Swarupam Maha, the nature of Agni is talked about in this shloka, Kindat Agnihi iti, Atrapi, Vayo Iva, like the Vayu, Ta Vayu, Sadvayu, Viveke, Uttaha Tadvat Atrapi, Karana Dharmaha, Karye, Anugataha itiyaha, Purva iti, Purva Anugatihi, Kete iti Akanshayam. What are they, if you ask? This Akanksha will be there. Taduktam. What is that? Asti, then Asti iti, Dattu Brahmanaha, Sadvastunaha, then Vanni is there. Then Saha, Vannihi, Nistatvaha referring to Maya, then Shabdavan Gunavan iti, Chatvaraha, Gunaha, Anuvartante, Agnav. Then we have to do the Pratakkarnam, Vichyatam iti. Let us read the 90th shloka. Sanmaya Vyomavai Vamshair Yuktasyagnir Nijo Gunaha.
सन्मायाव्योमवायं शैर्युक्तस्य निजो गुणः
Rupam Tatra Satas Sarva Bhanyad Buddhya Vivichyatam.
रूपं तत्र सतः सर्वं अन्यदा विचिच्यताम्
Sanmaya Vyomavai Vamshahi. Sanmaya Sat Sandhi. Sat Maya Yarahanasike. Satmaya Vyoma Vayu Amshahi. So Satacha Maya Cha Vyoma Cha Vayu Cha. Dvanda Samasa. Then Tesham Amshaha. Sanmaya Vyoma Vayunam amshaha. Sanmaya vyoma vayvamshaha. Taihi vayvamshaihi. Yuktasya kaha agnihi. So, ये गुणाः पूर्वम् उक्ताः अस्तित्वं शब्दवान् स्पर्शवान् इति शब्दगुणः स्पर्शगुणः अस्तित्वादयः गुणाः सद्वस्तु माया आकाशः वायुः इति एतेभ्यः आगताः वायोः निजः गुणः अपि अस्ति स्वीय गुणः अपि तत् किं रूपम् that is why from this Agni starts the Agni Rupa. Before that Rupam property is not there. So Murta Bhutani start from Agni. Agnihi Apaha Prithvi. Other two previous Bhutas, Amurta Bhuta. Murta Bhuta. There is no form. Form starts only from Agni. Without Agni, there cannot be any form. So for Rupam Agnehe Nijaha Gunaha. Agno Yuktaha Gunaha. Ye Gunaha, Anya Gunaha Yuktaha Te Agataha Tebhyaha Sanmaya Vyoma Vayam Shaihi Yuktasya Sadvastunaha Astitvam Mayayaha Nistatvarupatvam Akashasya Shabdagunaha Vayoho Sparshagunaha. All this Amsha, the Guna, Etebhyaha Agataha Santi Sadvastu Maya Akasha Vayu Vayubhyaha Gunaha Agataha Santi Agnau Agnege Nija Gunaha Rupam Api Asti. Tatra Sataha Sarvam Anyat Buddhya Vivichyata. Sataha Sarvam. Tataha Sarvam Anyat Buddhya Vivichyata. What Buddhi? Mithya Buddhya. Mithya iti Buddhya Vivichyata. Mithya iti Buddhya Vivichyata. Vivichyata Pratak Kriyata. Buddhya. In this guna, Sadvastunaha Anyat, accepting Sadvastu. Sadvastunaha Anyat, Sarvam, Buddhya Vivichyata. Sataha Sarvam, other than Sadvastu. Ye gunaha santi te Mithya Bhutaha gunaha. Ataha Buddhya Vivichyata. May you discriminate. Pratak Kriyata Mityataha. Pratak Krutva Vivichyata. Pratak Kriyata Miti. That is why it is Agni Brahma Viveka. It is. The Agni has the borrowed properties and its own intrinsic property. So Agni has the Amsha, as the Satamsha, Maya Amsha, Vyoma Amsha, Akasha, Vayu Amsha also, and its own Guna, Sviya Guna, Rupa Gunaha Pyasti. Therefore, Sataha Anyata Sarvam, Brahma Buddhya Vivichyata. Astitvam and all the other, the Gunas, this, that is separate. Then Kimatmakam, Kimatmakaha Agnihi. When Sat is separated, Pratak Karane, Pratak Bhave, Vivichyata, is separated. How Buddhya, cognitively, we cannot separate it. That the Astitvam be separated from Agni. Minus Astitvam. Minus Asti, it is not Nasti. It is minus Asti, it is not Tucham. Then what is that? Bhasamanam Asat, don't forget. That is what the definition of Mithya is. When Asti is separated, and what is that? We cannot say nothing is that. It is there or not that we cannot say. That is why Sat Asadbhyam Anirvachaniyam. That is Mithya. Bhasamanam Asat in the language of Panchadeshikara. Minus Sat, it is what is there is Bhasamanam Asat. It appears as though. That we have to understand. That the reality of that we have to understand. That is Viveka. So all the elements other than all the bhutas, other than they belong to that category only. Basamanam asat nitya, sadasat vilakshanam kriyatam. So basamana asat, basamanam asat nitya, Agni namarupa nitya, basamanam asat. And all the gunas, its own guna, other guna, everything is mithya. Agni itself mithya, what to talk about is guna. Therefore, anyata sarvam buddhya vivachyata. By cognition, need to be understood after separating the sat, they are mithya, basamanam asat. So in our buddhi understanding, the sat must be clear. The sat is chit, and it is available. It is available for our the sat. That is chit is chaitanyam, and sat vastu any padartha. It is sat asti eva. So, Sat, when we use Sat, the word we use when it comes to refer to the Jagat, and Chit we say with when it comes to our body, mind, sense complex, the mind, Buddhi, the Buddhi, individual. When it comes to individuality, it is Sat, it is Chit. So Sat is Chit. There is no difference. That which exists is Chaitanya consciousness. So therefore, the Sat which doesn't have any parts, Avayavaha Nasti, it is one Purnaha. So therefore, there is no Swagata Beda. Therefore, there is no Guna. Therefore, Sat cannot have Shabda, Spasha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. These gunas are not there. Consciousness also can have these gunas. If conscious also have these gunas, then it will have problems. So, therefore, all these are Karyani. So, therefore, anything Karya is modified subject to change. But Chaitanyam, Chitta is not the Karya. It is Sambhit. Sambhit Ekana Vidyate. We saw in the first chapter. It is not the, it cannot undergo any change. It is, therefore, it is not the Karya. Therefore, when we dismiss, we should not throw the baby with the bathwater. We should not throw the Sat. It is Sat, it is the Adhishtanam. It is, that's why Anyat. That is why Sataha Anyat iti. Sataha Anyat, Chitaha Anyat. Therefore, it is the minus that. What about other thing is, they are dependent on Sat. Therefore, they have less pervasiveness. And Sat Chit, that alone enlivens everything, because of which everything enjoys existence. Therefore, everything enjoys borrowed existence. What about Sat? It is exist. It is a Swarupa. It doesn't depend on Namarupa for its existence. Namarupa Mithya depends on the Vastu. And therefore, Vastu is that which pervades everything and gives Satta Spurti. So, therefore, now, even Maya also, that's why we say Brahmashaya Maya. Maya also doesn't enjoy Astitvam. It is Brahmashaya. So, therefore, Astitvam to Maya belongs to Sat alone. This also, at times, the doubt comes. Maya is Asti. No. If Maya is also Asti, then Dvaita will be then Dvaitam will work in. That's a problem. Maya is also is dependent. It is Astitvam is due to Sat. Therefore, anything other than Sat is not dependent, and that which is independent, it's all pervasive and it's not affected by anything, by any change. Therefore, any change happening to that is only a basamanam, it's only an appearance. Real change doesn't happen. Therefore, that's why consciousness, Trikale Tishtati, Chitana, Tasya Parivattam, Abhavati, Shadbhava Vikara only for the Shariram, not for the Atma. That's why Nainam Chindanti Shastrani, Nainam Jagati Pavakaha. All the change happening only to the Upadhi, to the Mithya Upadhi. Therefore, Mithya Buddhya Vichintyatam. This is the Viveka. This is how we have to think. Anything which is a product, anything which is Nama Rupa, it is born, it is not Swatantriya. They are created, they are produced, therefore they are Mithya. It is subject to time, it has Avayava, it is put together, therefore it is subject to disintegration, subject to time, therefore it cannot be Sat. The Satyata Buddhi, what is that? On the Mithya Padartha, which includes Shariram also. That should be given up, therefore Mithya Buddhi. That is why the Viveka is done. So Mithya Buddhya Vivicyatam. How do you do Vivichanam? That negating which that cannot be negated. What cannot be negated is that existence. and that is Chitta, Chaitanya. Various avasthas are we undergo, but in all the avastha, what is negated, what is cannot be negated, that is Chaitanya. That's why avastha trayeshu, trikale tishtati, panchakoshatitah, avastha traya sakshi, yaha, saha atma iti. So the negator cannot be negated. The unnegatable, the negator, that is aham, which is non-negatable. Therefore, that non-negatable me, that is Sat, that is Chit, Satyam. Therefore, that can be arrived at by negating which are negatable. Therefore, we do the negation here. That's why Vivicyatam, Pratakkarnam is only for distinct understanding of the Mithya Padartha. After dismissing Mithya Padartha, what remains that cannot be negated? That is you, that is Sat. Ahankara also can be negated. Ahankara is that Aham iti Abhimanaha, that is negatable. It is Mithya. Somehow it is become a joint, a yoke between the Chit and the Upadhi. When there is clear discernment, that also is negated. Ahankara, that Abhimana, the Buddhi, over the Shariyamana Sangata. Once the Shariyamana Sangata are Mithya, then what about Ahankara? It also stands negated. Therefore, Sarvam, Anyat, Sataha Sarvam Anyat, Sataha Sarvam Anyat, Mithya. Sataha Sarvam Anyat, Nitya Nitya Vastu Viveka, in the definition also, is said, Nitya Nitya Vastu Viveka, Yet Trikalite Shetu Satyam, Tata Nityam, Sarvamanyat, Anityam, Nitya iti. Therefore, Tad Buddhya, Uchintyatam, Pratakkaranam, Kriyatam iti. Therefore, Evam Tikakara, Evam Agno, Karna Dharma Anugatya, Anuvada Purukam, Swakiyam Dharmam Darshayati. Swakiya Dharmam, Agdege Nija Dharmam, Sviya Gunaha, Nija Gunaha, Rupam iti. Sannaya iti, Itam, Savisheshanam Vanniswarupam Vyutpadya, Idanim Sadvastunaha Vannim Vivinakti Tatra iti. Vivinakti means Vichirdatu, Vivinakti, separation. Sadvastunaha Vannim Vivinakti. Vanni is separated from the Sadvastu cognitively. Savisheshanam Vanniswarupam Vyutpadya. Vannihi is Visheshana only. Vannihi is Visheshana. It is not Vishesha. What is Vishesha? Sat alone is Vishesha. Everything is Visheshana. Visheshana means not an attribute. The property also doesn't belong to Sadvastu. Because everything is Mithya. Mithya cannot touch Sat, Brahma. That's why Bhasamanam Asat. So there's Savisheshanam, that Vanni which has all the Visheshanam, the Gunaha, Priya Gunaha, Anya Karna Gunaha, Sadvastu. Therefore, that Vannim Sadvastunaha Vivinakti Pratakriyatam, distinguish, differentiate that Agni from the Sadvastu. Tatra Teshu Bhadye Sataha Sadvastunaha Anyat Sarvam Dharmajatam. Everything else is Dharmajatam. Everything else is Dharmajatam. They are Dharmajataha. Everything else is they are Jataha. They are produced. All the properties are born. Anyat Sarvam Dharmajatam. Therefore, Mithya iti Rudya Vivicyatam Pratakriyatam iti. Sataha is equal to Sadvastunaha Panchami. Sadvastunaha Anyat. Everything other than Sadvastu. Everything other than Sadvastu is Dharmajatam. They are Jatam, they are produced. Dharmajatam. Their properties are born. What about Sadvastuna Satitam? It is not a property, in fact. It is Lakshanam. It is Swarupam. Therefore, Anyata Sarvam Dharmajatam Jatatvat Nitya. It is born. It is, they gain this guna. These gunas come from somewhere. Whereas Sadvastunaha Dharma Gunaha Nasanti. Sadvastu is Swarupam is what guna it has. Therefore, the Mithya, how do you know it? How do you to the Viveka. Satya Mithya Vivekas. Mithya have to be separated. Everything is Dharma Jatam, therefore Mithya. Anything which is produced, which enjoys properties, and its property, its own property, other property. Anything which has property is Mithya only. Because that is Sadvastu, that is the truth, that is a Brahma which doesn't have any property, it's Swarupa, because of which everything enjoys what the status of being what they are. So therefore, Sarvam Dharma Jatam, therefore Sadvastu, Atu Dharma Jatam. Sarvam Dharma Jatam, Anyata Sarvam Dharma Jatam, Sadvastu, Nahastitvam, Natu Dharma Jatam, which is Swarupa. Therefore, Mithya Vidya Vichyata. Therefore, Akash, therefore, Evam, Prutakranam Kriyatam, Evam Vivekah Kriyatam, Vicharaha Kriyatam. Sarvam, Sarve Dharmaha, Dharma Jataha. Dharma Jataha Gunaha, Ataha Mithya Bhutaha iti. Then after Prutakrate, then Vayoha Mithyatum Siddhyati, Tena Vasayitva Dridikritya, Vayum Tyajet. That is, as we have done Marutam Tyajet. Similarly, Vayu also should be given up. Agni also. Agni also, Vag Agnim Tyajet. That is what the author is going to say. That we will see in the next class. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवादः गुरुजी।
धन्यवादः जी।
धन्यवादः।
धन्यवादः शानुजी।